Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Arkansas. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Johnson County in western Arkansas, northeastern Logan County in western Arkansas, northern Pope, POPE County in central Arkansas, northwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles southeast of Mount Magazine, or 12 miles northwest of Denville, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Toccolan, Carroll, Spadra, Scranton, Rosetta, Piney Bar Recreation Area, Mount Magazine, Mineral Springs Recreation Area, Ludwig Lake, London, Lamar, Lake Dardanelle, Knoxville, Holman, Doper, Cove Lake, Cabin Creek Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 55 and 79. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas.